Just because there's 2,000 arches doesn't mean that there's 2,000 opportunities to see them.
Yeah, there are. Were they invisible arches?
No, you can't get to them.
You can get to it. If you have the time, you get to all of them. Somebody counted them. Day... I don't know what day this is. Well, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, day 4. 8:05 start time. We're gonna 2 trails to hit before we head to our boat fun excursion. I just realized that on some of these, I just got pictures and didn't get video.
Most.
Yeah. Well, there'll be a still shot included for your viewing pleasure. Here we are, final arch of our 2020 trip to Arches, the Skyline Arch. This walk was a lot farther than I thought. Being trapped away. It's definitely a way. It's a cool way.
It is a way, right?
There's a way back to the car this way. Maybe, and maybe not. Oh, sorry. It's us traipsing through the desert again. There's tracks this way. There's dog tracks. Or wolf tracks. Bears. No, they said the most dangerous animal in this area is a moose.
Does the boat have a name? The boat is the Gem. The Gem of the Colorado. Good morning, everybody. First off, we got Robbie up there on the bridge. We're very
This by far is the hottest one we've done.
Oh, yes.
This is the Corona Arch and Bowtie Arch. This is just off the side of the road. Park your car and come on up and go hiking. I think what's easy to forget is when you see videos like westerns of just the vast openness, how big everything is and how hard it is to traverse it.
Yeah.
We've been walking for 4 hours. No, just kidding. 15 minutes. It's really hot. Whew.
It's at a 440-foot elevation change.
Well, we've done 300 already. Corona Arch.
Now that's cool.
Bowtie Arch.
I don't know what that is. If that's just mineral, but it looks like icicles.
It does. Me or you first?
I'll go first.
Okay. Don't look right.
Nope, not going to.
36 minutes. It wasn't a mile and a half. 36 minutes to get there. About 12 minutes of hanging out. It was fun. It was a big arch. Alright, well, that was the final 2 arches of our trip to Moab, Utah. Did not expect.
Quit crowding.
You know what? There's nature there.
Right ankle gives me more flames in my
Oh, here we are again. Corey, not wanting to stay on topic.
I'm just telling you.